来去看世界，美国感恩节过了，就是年度买物件的盛会——乌色礼拜五。今年因为通货膨胀有较降，所以加上厂商饼业绩有拍折，敢若顶礼拜五迄天，伫网络顶悬的销售额就冲破100亿的美金，拍破新纪录。
感恩节期间，乌色礼拜五，民众透早6点进入曼哈顿的梅西百货，享受大好多折扣、好看的优惠。本地人甲观光客拢来参加，享受人真多、真闹热、节庆快乐的气氛。
Amazing deals. There's 40% and 50% on most things.
Good sales. There's good sales in there. It's more fun.
It's more fun. We get to hang out with each other.
We got the full experience.
今年乌色礼拜五实体店面人亲像无往年遐尼济，毋过个别旧年高通货膨胀、国家折扣有感觉，也是推动消费数字成长。即马个有寡济交易转到线顶，研调机构 Adobe Analytics 追踪电商销售数据，显示乌色礼拜五即天全美国的网购金额达到破纪录98亿美金，比去年同期成长7.5%，代表消费者真熬得算盘，听候上价折扣再来揭晓。另外嘛，预测年假过了后的27，网购礼拜一交易额看上120亿美金，比去年超过6%，是美国今年上大的电商购物日。
Shoppers are a little more savvy this year when it comes to technology. So they're using technology like ChatGPT in order to build price aggregators across online websites to get the best price for what they're looking for. They're also having conversations with the AI technology to come up with ideas for what types of products may interest them, their loved ones, their family, and their friends.
乌色礼拜五本来是百货卖场年度销售活动，演变成全球性网购嘉年华。电商头人亚马逊到推上有真大功劳。今年为17开始，连续有10天的折扣特卖。不过欧洲真济国的亚马逊成都员工，伫上无用的乌色礼拜五就月联合上演大罢工，抗议公司的做法，要争取更加悬的薪资条件。公司新闻是会长编译。